Hi, my name is Adam Aarons, Senior Consultant with Experts as a Service for Analysis Prime. Today I want to talk about the changes to data actions where you can now change the model reference after the data action's been started. So what we're going to cover today is just that. We're going to look at changing data action model references. So you can now change the default model to a data action after steps are defined. Prior to this was only possible before defining any steps, or you have to delete all steps in data and then change the underlying reference. So in SAC, we'll look at the new data action screen. We can go to our recent files and grab our most recent data action. And in here, if we go to the data action settings, and we can now change to a new model, save it, and it will be ready for us to write under those model references. So just to review that very quickly, users can now change the model reference for a data action even after steps have been defined, which is a great advantage to modifying and maintaining data actions.